Hi guys, welcome to the short video about this piece counting function which is built in a lot of scales these days. I haven't seen this before. I think it's a new trend, but it can be really helpful. Let's say if you're working on a small market, in a small shop, you are selling items with exactly same weight, so you don't have to count them, so you can let the scale count it for you. So this is how it works. This is the Allkeys really new scale, and the really fancy thing here is that it is rechargeable with USB. You can see that. I mean, it has a backup battery here, but you can charge it and then it lasts for quite some time. This is really helpful. So let's turn it on. It's sensor. It's really good thing. I've tested this already. I've made a full review about that. If you want to see that, you can find that on my channel. So how to do that? So we go to these pieces and we press long till we see the amount like 25. So that's the lowest amount which we have. We have other amounts where we can start with 50 or 75 or 100. So these are the only possibilities. So there's no way to start with just one screw. So we take all of them. I have 25 of them here. So I put them here on the scale. We have 25, and I have now to push here again, and you can see it has changed a little bit, so I can take them away. And now I can let the scale count this amount for me. So we have 1 here. Let's see how many we have. 3, yeah, perfect. Let's do a little bit more. 6 as well. Another 4, and we are at 10. And here we have another 5. That's 15. So you can see it's very, very reliable. So I have done this a couple of times now, and it never missed anything. So it was absolutely perfect no matter where you put them. Now 16, I put one here. 17, I put one here, the corner. 18, another one here. 19, one here, one here. You can see, so absolutely reliable. It's a really good thing. So if you have to deal with such things, and instead of counting them, it's a good thing. So if you want to have like 15 or so, and then you can just, yeah, okay, that's 12, 14, 15, okay, that's it. Thanks for buying such things. So that's really, really helpful. And instead of having to count all of them, and I mean that it can be more than 15, maybe you have I think it can go, you can see it can go much higher. It can go up to 100, 300, 400 and so on. Even if you have only started with 25, doesn't matter. So you can go really up into the hundreds, and you want to sell a lot of screws or nuts or whatever. So yeah, you can see that's really helpful, and it's reliable, and it even works with a $20 rechargeable scale. And yeah, by the way, that's really a good one, and I will put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. I mean, I really like it, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.